Hello students, today's topic is conversion in national income. How to convert different components in national income? There are three conversions in national income. First conversion is from gross to net and net to gross. Depreciation converts gross into net and net into gross. If we need the value of gross, we can get the value of gross from net, and if we want the value of net, we can get the value of net from gross. Gross is equal to net plus depreciation. If you want the value of gross, you can get the value of gross from net. You will add the depreciation. It will be the value of gross. And if you want the value of net, you can get the value of net from gross by subtracting depreciation. It is the first conversion in national income. Second conversion is factor cost to market price and market price to factor cost. Net indirect tax. Net indirect tax converts factor cost into market price and market price into factor cost. That is NIT, net indirect tax. Factor cost does not include the value of net indirect tax. So if you want the value of factor cost, you can get the value of factor cost from market price by subtracting net indirect tax. And if you want the value of market price, you can get the value of market price from factor cost by adding net indirect tax. Market value or market price of goods includes taxes, so you will add the net indirect tax in factor cost. Then you will get the market price. This is second conversion. And third conversion is from domestic to national and national to domestic. Third conversion is from domestic to national and national to domestic. If you want the value of domestic, you can get the value of domestic from national, and if you want the value of national, you can get the value of national from domestic. It is converted from net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad, that is NFI. NFI, net factor income from abroad. Domestic value does not include net factor income from abroad. So if you want domestic, if you want the value of domestic, you can get the value of domestic from national by subtracting NFI. If you want the value of national, you can get the value of national from domestic by adding NFI. Domestic is equal to national minus NFI and national is equal to domestic plus NFI. These are three conversions in national income, which will help you to create the formula. Now, how this conversion works in calculating the components of national income. Suppose you have calculated GDP at market price, gross domestic product at market price, and You want the value of gross national product at factor cost, GNPFC. If you want GNPFC from GDPNP, then put the value of GDPNP. We want gross national product at factor cost from gross domestic product market price. First G and here first G. G means gross. The value is same, so there is no need to make any formula. N for national and here second D for domestic. We want national and here it is domestic. National and domestic are converted from NFIA. So if we want national, then we will add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, in domestic. Product will be always same. Here we want factor cost and here it is market price. Factor cost and market price are converted from net indirect tax. We want factor cost and market price is given, so we will subtract net indirect tax, that is NIT, from market price. So GNPFC is equal to GDPNP plus NFIA minus NIT, net indirect tax. So these three conversions helps to create the formula in national income like this. Suppose you want NNPFC, that is national income, and NDPFC is given. Here N means net, here N means net. No need to convert the formula. Here N means national, here D means domestic. We want national from domestic, so we will add NFIA. Product will be always same. Factor cost and factor cost are same, so there is no need to change. So here is the formula of NNPFC. NNPFC is equal to NDPFC plus NFIA. Suppose we want gross domestic product at market price, GDPNP, and NDPFC is given. We want G means gross, and N means net. We want gross and net is given. Gross is equal to net plus depreciation. So we will add depreciation to convert net into gross. Here D is domestic. No need to convert the formula because domestic and domestic is same. Product will be always same. We want market price and factor cost is given. MP and here FC. MP means market price, FC means factor cost. We will add NIT, net indirect tax, because market price is equal to factor cost plus NIT. So here is the formula GDPNP is equal to NDPFC plus depreciation plus NIT, net indirect tax. Suppose NNPFC, we want the value of NNPFC and GNPNP is given. Net national product at factor cost and GNPNP is gross national product at market price. Here N means net, here G means gross. We want the value of net and the net value is calculated from gross value. We will subtract depreciation because net is equal to gross minus depreciation. N means national, here N means national. Both are same, so there is no need to convert the formula. Product and product is also same. Here factor cost and market price. We can get the value of factor cost from market price by subtracting NIT, net indirect tax. So minus NIT, net indirect tax. Where is the formula? NNPFC is equal to GNPNP minus depreciation minus NIT. These three conversions work like this to convert the different components of national income from each other. Now suppose we want GDPFC from NDPFC, gross domestic product at factor cost, and it is net domestic product at factor cost. We want the value of gross and here the value is given net. We will add depreciation because gross is equal to net plus depreciation.